Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering issues in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart again. Click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off adaptive brightness. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on display. Here you will see adaptive brightness. And if you want to turn off adaptive brightness, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, adaptive brightness will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on software update. Click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update, then click on update. After click on update software, your phone software will be update from your phone. This is how you can fix screen flickering issue in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.